Okay, I'm reloading. Big Cappuccino here at Hobby Lobby. It's been a while since I've been here. I don't think it's been a month. Probably more. Up here in the hobby car list section, I guess. Got the slot cars here. As always, I don't own the rights to this music. Yeah, I got other people in the store. So, give me for the conversation. Yeah. Oh, slot racing. Got the Mr. Machine. Got a Nissan. That's Chevy. These are new. I ain't see these before. These three. I think that was here before. Now we're in the diecast section. M2s. Trying to stay away from them, even though they look kind of cool. Dodge 71 Dodge Charger. I already have a green light. The Shelby GT 500 is new. Got a bag with me. Let's see if I find. That's not even supposed to be here. Yeah, these are all the same. It's a GT 500 convertible. I already got one. This out of place. Johnny Lightning. Greatest Generation. Dodge Coronet. I think that was here last time. People been here. A Mustang. I think just kids. Those there Jada bug thing. Slug bugs or whatever. Saw them at Target. This is cool. That's a 64 and a half Mustang. Should get there. I haven't seen this before. Is that a funny car? It's a Dodge Charger. Funny car. It's different. Yeah, that's how the people been moving this stuff around. Oh, Johnny White. I seen this. Ooh, I'm getting this. AMC Gremlin. Oh yeah, I'm getting this bad boy. Rare you see at AMC. Lazy Champs. In the wrong place. Yeah. It's the two set, piece set. I think that's a Fury. That's an M2. That's supposed to be over here. Yeah, you can tell people been around hobby shops. Backpack. That's a Jeep. That's a Nissan. Oh, that's cool. I think that's a new tool. No, it's from last year. Pontiac Lamont's wagon. This Dodge Charger. Another ground pounder. Paint job is sick though. I seen this before in Walmart. It's a cool little truck, but ground pounder. Chevy 150. F100 Ranger. Cool, I guess. Mercury Cougar. Cougars become powerful. Move up here. That's the white and gold Nissan. I should get this, man. It's so clean. I might get this. Datsun 510. It's clean, but I already have a 510. Racing Champs. This been here for a while. Chevy Silverado. I would get it, but I already have I think a Blazer in that same body style. This is okay. 2017 Naira. Funny car. That sucky mini stuff that's everywhere. Weird jacket. Yeah. I think we seen everything. Oh, we seen the Greatest Generation. There's a GMC right here. A tank right there. It could be pretty cool. Just don't interest me. This is new. Yeah. When I did the M2, I don't think I bypassed this. But I already have a 1970 Camaro. Pretty much. We pretty much went over. Got some tools, man. These too big. These like 143, 118. That's pretty much it. Oh, they got some display cases. I need the cases together though. They got 8. They sell them at 8. This is pretty cool for an Echo line van. Build it way more. Just gonna show the model kit. Oh, they got show these wheel sets. And they got the little tools. Should get one of these, but I don't have a diorama. The houses. I got one of them on my page. Well, set up in my display. The white trailer with the red star. I got another one. Alright, show this. I never get these, man. They want an arm and a leg. Some nice flat legs. I think it's the same. think that's a bob. We call them bobcats when I was working construction. Little vehicle right there. Model kits. Got the R8 Mustang 510. I like them green wheels. They're gray with their green. Oh man, that's a beast. Got a Ferrari. Just rare to find a Ferrari, anything. They don't do it for 164. I think the only one is like Barago or some overseas. That and Kiyoshi or somebody. International people have the licensing for Ferrari now. As you see a whole, man, they got a lot of model kits. I ain't think model kits were popular anymore. I used to build these back in the 80s. They got that sucky fuku pop stuff over here. They even got an X-Wing fighter over here. Airplanes. P-51. That's pretty much it, man. I don't know if I did it as far as the camera angles as good as I've done it in the past. Oh man, back in the 164 section, I seen Major Wreck. They trying to come up, step their game up. What in the world is this? Is this a Volkswagen van? I think so. The trailer looks banging though. I like the trailer. They're trying to step the game up. Is that a G-Wagon? They trying to step the game up, man. Sorry. That's about it. About to end the video on y'all. Dang, I should get it. Should I get the convertible? That joint is sweet. 164 Mustang. I'm already doing 1 Ford. I ain't going here to spend all my money. That's nice too. That's a Mercury Cougar. Already got enough now. One through 3004. It's a limited edition. I'd like to find that Corvair in the store. Well, that's it, man. Big Dappuccino signing off.